Reliable power within a hospital environment is essential. The G8 series includes bus tie control functionality to enhance system flexibility and allow power to be routed through different breakers. Here we see a hospital supplied by two separate mains incomers, with three 500 kilowatt generators on standby. The system has 8 bus sections. The main supplies fail, and the backup generators are required to supply the full load. The 3 generators start and close their breakers. No synchronizing is currently required as the generators are not running in parallel. Breakers 4 and 9 and 10 and 13 close without needing to synchronize, delivering power to the hospital's essential load as quickly as possible, while the unessential load is temporarily left without power. All 3 generators now need to synchronize, introducing generator redundancy. Generators 1 and 2 synchronize and breaker 6 closes. Both generators share the attached load. The non-essential load can now be restored. There are currently no redundant generators. To resolve this, generator 3 needs to be synchronized with generators 1 and 2. Breaker 8 closes, and all 3 generators share the full load. Breakers 5 and 7 close for load security reasons. The current total load demand does not require all 3 generators to run. One generator is stopped to save fuel. Generator 2 is ramped off and breaker 2 opens, allowing the generator to cool down and stop. The system is currently operating as a single island with a redundant generator. When the main supplies are restored, the loads are returned. Generators 1 and 3 synchronize to main supply 1, and then breaker 14 closes. The generators are now in parallel with the mains. The generators reduce their load until building 1 returns to mains power. Breaker 10 opens. Generators 1 and 3 synchronize to main supply 2 and then breaker 15 closes. The generators are now in parallel with the mains. The generators reduce their load until building 2 returns to mains power. Breaker 13 opens, disconnecting the generators. Breakers 4 to 9 open and the 3 generators enter cool down mode before stopping. The hospital power has safely returned to the main supply and the generators have returned to standby mode, waiting for the next event.